So guys, back again. Today I am putting in a new degas tank. So this one you can see right here where they tried to repair it, but it's leaking from right there. It always has been actually. That repair was not what it should have been, so it always has been leaking, and my coolant level is always way down here. But I'm gonna fix this today. Right now I'm draining the coolant out, and once I get that drained out, there is hose clamp here. I gotta take that wing nut off and take off my my nut. I don't have an actual setup here. It's just this one little piece. I don't know what happened to the rest of it, but anyway, I gotta take that bolt off, and there's supposed to be 2 bolts down here, but there's only one here. Let me find my flashlight. I can show you. Right. Okay. So yeah, there's the So there's supposed to be 2 bolts down there. There's only one. I mean, it's been keeping it in there, so I'm gonna put that same bolt right back in there. And as you can see, this little repair job did not hold up. It's not a good job. So, but the guy did tell me about it before I bought the truck. So I mean, it's not bad. The truck still runs and drives. I've been driving it every day. It's just I need to get that fixed. Coolant level super low. Oh, it drained down far enough. So yep. I don't know if you can see in there, but yeah, I'm gonna drain a little bit more, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it off here. So there's another hose at the bottom of that hole right there. There's a hose, and there's a hose. Come on, if you can see it. Right. Nah. Nah, you guys can't see it. Well, nah, you guys can't really see it. I'll show it to you here in a second. Let me get everything undone here, and then I'll show you guys once I get it out of there. All right, so I got it drained down enough, about a half a gallon. Yours may be a lot more, but for mine it was already low. So pulled the clamp back, slid that off. Got the nuts off. So this bolt, I'm sorry. This was 8mm. So both of these, this one and the one that was down here, it's 8mm. And I'm going to see if I can get this in here and show you guys. There is a clamp right there that I got it. There it is. I gotta get that booger off of there. That's the last one on the bottom side. Get that one in, we'll be good. All right, got it off of there. There is the hose, and there's the clamp right there. I'm trying to keep it turned this way so it's easier to get to. All right, let's get that new one on there. All right, so let's turn this around this way so you can see it better. Oh man. So here's my old one. It's rough. And there's the crack where the water was leaking. I mean, not water, but you know what I'm trying to say. When my coolant was leaking out. And it was always way down here. My coolant level was never where it was supposed to be. So here we have the new one. The new one. All right. I'll see about posting a link in the description for this one, and it's clear actually, so I'll be able to see my coolant level a lot easier with this one versus that one. But yeah, this one looks like it's gonna be a lot better to work around, and there's no seams on the side either. Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's get this puppy back on there. Let's see how it looks. All right, so got that if you can see that. Got that one bolt back in there. Got that bolt back in there. Got my hose clamped on. That one's back in. I just got to put my wing nut back on there. That hose is clamped on. She's looking good, people. All right, so my wife and I got coolant back in here. It's not to the proper level yet though, because we only bought one jug, so I gotta get some more coolant. But I do not have any leaks, and there's more coolant in there now than there was before. So I'll probably run to the store at some point and get another jug to fill it up all the way. But yeah, all good, no leaks. My drainage plug isn't leaking anymore, so now I just gotta put my wing nut and my lug nut, whatever, center cap puller thinger or jigger back on here, and I'll be done. But this looks a lot better than the other one.